Today is April 12, 11:55 a.m. and wanted to follow up on the United Airlines. We made a video just yesterday on whether or not this was going to be a bearish or bullish unusual options that we saw. And we're going to take a look at that. Today, United Airlines has dropped 6% along with many of the other airlines. But let's look at that unusual option activity we saw yesterday and now look at whether or not they were bullish or bearish. So it was the April 21s, and here it was. The strike price was 43, and there we have it. You see here the open interest is 2,000 because yesterday it was 4,000, and so now we know that the 43 strike was a closing order. Okay, so now that it's less, and then if we look at the May 19 strike, the other strike, that 44, you'll see here now it is much greater. So now we know that that was an opening order. So the 44 was an opening order. So it looks like they were rolling the puts. They closed that order, rolled it to the 44 to sell the puts on the 44 instead. And yeah, so if you haven't watched that video, we'll put that link below. And also at the end of this video, I think we have actually another position here where we sold the call. We sold some call spreads here. You'll see here our so that's good for our trade today, since selling the call, it's bearish, so it's out of the money and it could expire worthless. So that's good for us. But that's another trade we did, and so if this video is helpful, where you kind of learn a little bit more about open interest and volume, and take a look at that video we made just yesterday on this day, where we saw just yesterday unusual options, and we're looking at the volume and open interest to see whether or not they're opening or closing orders. And now today we know what they are. Okay, so take care everybody, and good luck.